How to hide wallet on bitcoin.com wallet app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide your wallet on bitcoin.com wallet app. To do so, first of all, open your bitcoin.com wallet application on your mobile device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you're logged into your account, you will land on this home page. Here at the bottom, you'll be able to see different icons. Tap on this phone's icon next to home and by doing so, you'll be able to access all your wallet. From here, now select the wallet that you'd like to hide. Tap on the wallet and inside it, here you'll be able to see three dots icon at the top right. Tap on the three dots icon and you will reach to this page. Here, you'll be able to see the option Hide Balances. This option will hide your balances. Simply tap on the toggle button at the right side of this option and once it is enabled, your balance or the wallet will be hidden. If you want to reveal it, you can simply tap on the wallet and inside it, here you will need to tap on the I button at the right side. So by following these steps, you should be able to hide your wallet on bitcoin.com wallet application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.